In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add the green screen effect on Instagram Reels. So once you've launched Instagram and you're logged into your account, all you need to do is swipe to the right of the screen once you're on your homepage. That's going to take you to the stories feature, and then at the bottom you have three options: live, story, and reels. You want to tap on reels, and then on the left hand side you want to tap on effects. It's the second option from the bottom, so tap on effects. And then to get the green screen effect, all you need to do is scroll all the way to the right, and then you'll be on the browse option. You want to tap on browse, and then you want to hit the magnifying glass at the top right, and then just type in green screen. I have it there in my recent, so I'll tap on green screen. And then you want to find the official one from Instagram, which is the first option for me. It might be slightly down for you, but mine is first, so I'll tap on the green screen effect. And then you can tap on the download button. For me, I've already downloaded it, but it's the first option there under the next to the try it button. So once you've added it to your camera, you can go back, and now you can find the green screen effect that you just saved. And it looks like this, and everything will go blue and green. Then all you need to do is flip your camera, and then you will have the green screen effect. So that is how you add the green screen effect on Instagram Reels. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.